Welcome to our organizer. This user-friendly tool displays only the fields relevant to each client, helping your practice stay organized and efficient while improving client accuracy and satisfaction. This section includes mobile app download links, Android and iOS, tax year selection, client type selection, and primary taxpayer information. By selecting the tax year, the organizer automatically adjusts the sections based on that year's specific requirements. For example, choosing 2021 opens a COVID-19 section, while selecting any other year will hide it. This ensures clients only see questions relevant to their situation. Client type controls which questions and document requests appear. For example, in this section, returning clients are only asked for updated IDs if needed, while new clients are required to upload both ID and Social Security cards. On the General Information tab, clients can select their marital and filing status. If they indicate they are married, a spouse information section automatically appears. We've also included key due diligence questions to help you identify potential issues early in the process. Several yes or no questions trigger actions or display document upload fields, making the organizer easy to use and helping eliminate confusion for clients. If the client states they have dependents, a dependent information section will open as well. It's important to mention that once clients complete this information for the first time, it will automatically save for future years. When they return, most fields that do not change will already be pre-filled, and clients will only need to update any information that has changed. This helps streamline the process and reduces repetitive data entry. Here is another example of how conditions work within the organizer. When a client selects a new client type field, a prior year tax return upload request appears, so they can provide last year's return. If they select returning client, this field does not appear, preventing unnecessary requests and keeping the organizer clean. To keep everything relevant and organized, certain tax credits appear only when applicable. For example, the child care credit is included within the dependent section. If the client selects yes, additional fields will appear for entering the amount paid and uploading the required child care form. If they select no, these items remain hidden. Also with other new client triggers, if the client is marked as a new client, additional fields will appear requesting personal documents to confirm identity and relationship for each dependent. Clients may also repeat the dependent section in case they need to add other dependents. In the Income Sources section, clients answer a series of simple questions about the types of income they received. Based on their responses, additional sections will automatically appear, so they can upload the required documents and provide the necessary detail for each income type, such as business income, rental income, property sales, and more. This dynamic setup ensures the organizer only displays sections that apply to the client's tax situation, making the process faster, easier, and more accurate. After clients complete the yes and no questions in the Income Sources section, the organizer moves into the document upload area. Here, clients can easily upload all tax forms related to their income, such as W-2s, 1099s, K-1s, gambling forms, and any other income documents. The Business Information section collects detailed information about your client's business, including structure, income, and expenses. This section is designed to ensure accurate reporting and maintain compliance by encouraging clients to enter only expenses that are supported by documentation and to keep organized records. This section also includes a repeat section option, allowing clients with multiple businesses to add each one, keeping information separated, and ensures proper reporting for each entity. Similar to this section, this organizer also includes sections made specific for rental properties, farming, property sales, foreign income, and other income types, each tailored to the client's specific situation. For business income and expenses, the organizer includes all relevant categories for our business clients. These include auto expenses, home office supplies, and other allowable business deductions. This ensures clients to report their expenses accurately and completely in one organized place. The Deductions section allows clients to select the specific deductions they would like to utilize. Once a deduction is checked, additional fields will appear so clients can enter required details and upload supporting documents, ensuring clients only see the deductions that apply to them, making it easy for both the client and your office. The Credits section allows clients to select the tax credits they may qualify. Choosing the tuition/education credit reveals fields for reporting qualified expenses. This section lets clients enter their bank details for direct deposit. They'll provide the bank name, routing number, account number, and a confirmation field to ensure accuracy. Here, clients can report any federal or state estimated tax payments they made during the year. If they select yes, upload fields appear so they can attach receipts or proof of payments. And now the final step that confirms the client has submitted all forms and that the information provided is true and complete. After checking the confirmation box, they simply click Submit to finish. And again, everything you enter is saved, and anything that doesn't change will automatically pre-fill next year, making the process even quicker and easier for your clients. Thanks for watching. We hope this organizer helps streamline your workflow and enhance your client experience.